It's a pity you already have a wife.
Morning, Mr. Hall.
Blessed love.
I should tell me your full name and your role at this establishment.
Orville Hall, them call me the dancehall professor, and I'm one of the executive directors here at Jammin and the Oasis.
Awesome, awesome. I hear that you guys having Tanya Stevens for your 1 year anniversary.
Yeah,
Tell me about that.
Yeah, March 26th. Shall forward and give me a strength, you know?
Wow, very interesting. And I also heard that you guys had a relationship. How is that going?
Well, I never know what more I bring to the media still, you know, 'cause, you know, social media still, and something she do want to keep a secret, but I really, back in the day, something used to go on between me and her. She used to live on the same complex where me live, and one night me and she had, you know, get mad on her boyfriend, and she said this to him.
These streets don't love you like I do. You need to know that you wanna keep your woman loving you. That you need for sure that the love we have when it takes so much effort to build. You about to blow that. But just like a played out jersey, you about to get through back.
Interesting. So how did you guys actually got into a relationship?
She see me at one party one night, and me and, you know, Shelly apart, and she waited till Shelly walk away, and she just called me over, and she said to me, say,
it's a pity you already have a wife, and me don't have a man in my life. Good boy, it is a pity. I say it is a pity you already have your wife, and me have a one man in my life. Good boy, it is a pity.
Wow, very interesting. So did this affect the relationship with you and Shelly?
no, you know, 'cause we kind of have it secret, you know, 'cause me did tell her, say, nah, I go work, you know, but she said she can't leave me because I one thing she love about me.
Off your boom walk, love the way you have me boom boom stuck. Pon the big booty, pon the big stick. Till me turn to the when me boom flick. Love the long ding dong boom walk. Love the way you walk, you make this girl stuck. Climb up on the cabin of the big truck. Have me a let off even though you broke. Love the long ding dong.
Ewa, I don't want you to put that party up on the internet, but let me tell you the truth about
Mr. Al?
it.
Mr. Al?
What? Shelly the behind me, not true?
March 26, Tanya Stevens, Ozari, Gail, and of course Dance Expressions. Start time, 6 p.m.
Would I like one of these mornings to wake up and find your face on a pillow lying right next to mine? I woulda cut out the party and the smoking and the rum and bust a extra wine and make we see the sun. Well,